verify with the doctor. Kasi bago kayo magtanggal, make sure na ang lahat ng IV meds is na-shift na sa oral. Okay, so yun yung idadagdag ninyo doon. And then, so after that, after the first 5, what I do now is, I will, in your green book, it says there na, i-close nyo ng roller clamp. Pero it depends. Kung marami pa, huwag nyo na munang i-close. Let it flow, and then you, first, what you will do is, moisten. Moisten the tape. Obviously, the rationale is so that you will not find it difficult to remove the tape. Okay, so, hindi pwede itong biglain ha. Walang nag-shortcut. Pa-isa-isa. You need to consider the feeling of your patient.
Sakit yan ha.
Sakit ito. Lalo na kung masyadong mabalagibo. So, one by one. When you are doing it, huwag naman yung parang takot na takot kayo. Okay. Before I remove the last tape, I will close it na. And then, paki-focus lang kasi dito nagkakamali lahat. Lahat tatanggalin ko. Wala akong iniwang tape. And then, I will get that dry cotton. Okay, and then put it on top. Support it with your other finger. Without applying pressure, remove the catheter. Right after apply pressure, check for the completeness of your catheter. Baka ito'y wala na. Naiwan na pala. Then, if it's complete, you discard it sa kidney basin. And that's the only time that you will put na the tape or the dressing. Again, after procedure, reassure your patient, discard the material, and document.